Hello everybody. In this video, we are going to discuss about how we can ride the wave. Okay, so we know it's good to go along with the trend of the market rather than going against the market and get hurt ourselves. Okay, so we know it's always better to buy when the market is uptrend or sell when the market is downtrend. But when to buy or when to sell, that is a bigger question rises in us between us, right? So this video will help you to fix that problem. Okay, first we'll see the setup. We have to plot 200 simple moving average chart, then plot RSI 14, then do the daily then plot the daily chart as well. Okay, it is purely a swing trading strategy as we are looking for riding the wave in the long trend mode. Okay, so okay, first we'll discuss the strategy now. Okay, for buy, look for the stock which are above 200 moving average and then see the RSI 10 value. Okay, if it is crosses above 30 from downside, this is 30, this is 70. Okay, just buy whenever it is crosses the 30 here and then somewhere here. Okay, buy here and then sell when it reaches 70. So buy here and then sell here. Okay, depending on your risk appetite, either you can sell immediately when it reaches the 70 or you can exit whenever it again reverse the position, right here, somewhere here. You can sell here or there, depends on your risk appetite. So if you are a conservative investor or started trading recently, then you can exit here. If you're aggressive investor and ready to take a risk, and then you can exit here. Okay, it's completely up to you. There is no recommendation from my hand. I'm giving two options where you can exit the position. Okay, and the stop losses as usual, entry candles, this is for buy, right? So entry candles low is the stop loss. Okay, for sell, look for the stocks where they are below 200 simple moving average, RSI 10, this is 70, this is 30. Okay, so from overbought position, whenever it is going down, right? So here take a buy call here and then whenever it reaches 30, take a sell call here and then you can buy here. Okay, either you can buy here or once it reverse that from oversold to uh, buy position, you can take a buy call there. Okay, it's up to you. And stop losses, entry candles high is the stop loss. Okay, so this also I can say um, you can easily make 5 to 10% profit in a span of week or 2 weeks. Okay, in a swing trading, if you aggregate in a year, it comes most to 60-70% if you are doing it on a regular basis and following the strict stop loss. And initially I recommend you to trade only in stocks which have futures. Okay, so which mean like I prefer you to trade only in the Nifty 50 or 100 stocks, not go below that. Okay, just for conservative purpose. Okay, now we have seen the strategy. We'll see with an examples. So this is TCS, stock is above this is 200 moving average line, stock is above 200 moving average line. This is RSI 10. As you can see here, it crosses the RSI 10-30 line here. Okay, so we'll be buying somewhere here. And where we'll sell, either you can sell here which is here or you can sell here which is here. Okay, it depends on your risk appetite, but just see how long it went. It went from 2900 to 3100. How many percentage? Close to 7% in a span of March to 1 month. Okay, simple guys. And I'm not asking you to trade in any unknown stocks. It's a TCS, like by market cap it's like in top 3 or 5 always. Okay, just buy. Even if it goes long, we have a stop loss, or okay, stop loss is very low. See just this candle size. Okay, even if you buy here, and this is the stop loss, maybe like 20-30 points, and see the reward we'll be getting by this strategy. So here buy, will be selling somewhere here, or if you are aggressive investor you can exit somewhere here. Okay, so this also this is State Bank of India, from where from close to 310 we have reached close to 330 or 335. Okay, close to this, also close to 10% in a month's time, and if you are exiting somewhere it's close to 15%. This is only for aggressive investor, because even though it is in a overbought position, sometime it will take a U-turn very aggressively, so at the time it will hurt you badly. Okay, that's the reason if you are a conservative investor and just starting your trading now, exit whenever it reaches the overbought position. Okay, the reason why I recommend people to buy only once it crosses the 30 once it crosses 30 line after reaching the oversold position is, the reason is this. See, it reaches the oversold position. Okay, and it's near the 200-day moving average, so this is the 200-day moving average. Okay, but what happened, it went down. Okay, it went actually below the 200-day moving averages, so which means it will not be in our buy radar. Okay, that's the reason not to buy or take a position once it reaches the oversold or overbought position. Buy or sell only when it crosses above the overbought position, or crosses above the oversold position, crosses below the overbought position. Okay, we saw for the buy call, this is for the sell. Okay, so the stock is below 200 moving average. I think this is ITC. Okay, so see here, we'll be taking a position here, we'll be selling here, and then buy will be somewhere here. Okay, and this also like close to 15%, somewhere from 260, 265 to 235. Okay, in a span of a month. See here, there's a one more example here. I think this is Maruti. Stock is below 200 simple moving average. Just take a sell call here and buy here. Okay, simple. 10% in a span of 2 weeks. Okay, just look at the money we are making in this strategy, guys, and we are not buying or selling any unknown stocks at all. See, TCS, State Bank of India, ITC, Maruti, everything is a known stocks. We are betting only on that. Okay, and just see the percentage we are making in this. If you are a new investor and you want to trade with a decent capital, just go out with this strategy, because using Upstocks or Zerodha or even other brokers, delivery is now free of cost. Okay, we'll be paying very less on the tax side. By considering that, even if you make 7%, 8%, 10% without considering brokerage in your hand, you will be getting only minus 0.5 of that, which means the 7% will get close to 6.5% as a profit for a month. Okay, imagine FD is giving 6%, 6.5% for a year, and we are making 6.5%, 7% in a month. And if you are lucky enough and good enough, we'll be making over 10% in 2 weeks, 15% in a month, and again it's a 10% in 3 weeks time span. Okay, that's the power of this strategy, guys. If you're a beginner, I advise you to just go with this strategy. Don't take much risk. Go with the low risk, high reward strategy. Just try to make 5 to 7% in a month-on-month basis. Just imagine you are making 5 to 7% on a month on a cumulative basis for a year. You will be making like 60 to 70%, guys. it is not an easy task, and we are not going to not much risk. It is like entry candles low is the stop loss, or entry candles high is the stop loss. Okay, so the stop, even if the stop loss get triggered, it will be very less. Okay, either sometimes it won't be much also, or sometimes very less. Okay, with that, just see the number of percentage you'll be making, and these things will occur very frequently. It is not something a rare strategy will to happen in the market. It is a very frequently, at least I can say once in a month you will get at least like 15 to 20 stocks will have this kind of pullback, or pullback scenario. So it's just watch the market, just watch the chart of Nifty 50 or Nifty 100 stocks. You will simply make money, guys. I'm telling you, simply you will make money. Okay, not much risk, simple, but it very powerful, guys. And see the percentage of return you are making in this strategy. Okay, in this, what are the 4 stocks I've taken? Decent return. Okay, thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel.